Hello, language learners and IELTS aspirants. Are you aiming to impress the examiners with a Band 9 vocabulary? Today, we're diving into high-level verbs that will give your English that extra flair. Let's start with know. Instead of saying understand, try comprehend. For example, I fully comprehend the complexity of this issue. Moving to take. Why just take when you can seize the opportunity? Imagine this, she seized the chance to study abroad. Let's look at see. Don't just see. Perceive the world around you. Say, he perceived a subtle change in her demeanor. With grasp, you don't just know, you really grasp the concept. In a sentence, she grasped the importance of daily exercise. Or, instead of take, let's secure our belongings, shall we? For instance, he secured the documents in the safe. And why not behold the beauty instead of just seeing it? As in, they beheld the splendor of the sunrise together. Now, let's put these into some engaging scenarios. If you're discussing a scientific theory, you wouldn't just know it, you'd comprehend it. Despite its complexity, the professor comprehended Einstein's theory immediately. During a debate, you wouldn't simply see your opponent's point, you'd perceive it. A good debater perceives the nuances in arguments. In a narrative, a character doesn't just take a journey, they secure their destiny. In his adventure, he secured his place in the annals of history. Imagine you're describing a breathtaking artwork to a friend. Instead of saying, I saw a beautiful painting, try, I beheld a masterpiece that stirred my soul. Feel how each word changes the impact of the sentence. Using these verbs can dramatically alter the tone and perception of your speech. So, let's embrace these synonyms and enhance our vocabulary richness. Your challenge is to incorporate these into your daily conversations and writings. The next time you're sharing an experience, a thought, or a vision, choose words that reflect a Band 9 level. Now, let's imagine a couple more scenarios to see these verbs in action. You're explaining a gadget to a friend. Instead of saying, I don't know how it works, say I have yet to fully comprehend its mechanics. Or, in a job interview, rather than I take my responsibilities seriously, try I securely uphold my responsibilities. Feel the difference? It's subtle yet powerful. And that's what scoring a Band 9 is all about. Achieving a Band 9 score means showcasing an exceptional command of English. Let's expand your verbal arsenal beyond the basics. Starting with know. Realized is another powerful alternative. Not just I understand the risks, but I fully realize the potential risks involved. Discussing professional experience? Know becomes be versed in. As a technician, I am versed in the latest virtual reality technologies. Next up, take. Elevated to embrace in an emotional context. She embraced all challenges that came her way with unmatched zeal. Or in a situation of change, you don't just take it, you adapt to it. The community adapted to the new regulations swiftly and efficiently. Now, see. In a creative sense, see becomes envision. As an architect, he envisions structures that blend with the environment. And witness for something more formal or significant. The jury witnessed the presentation of the conclusive evidence. Let's talk about grasp. For deeper understanding, we apprehend. A philosopher apprehends the fundamental questions of life. And fathom for something difficult to understand. It's hard to fathom the full extent of the universe's mysteries. Receive is a passive form of take. Let's use garner instead. Over the years, she garnered respect and admiration from her peers. And instead of get, let's acquire knowledge. Through diligent study, he acquired a vast knowledge of history. When we use behold, let's add revel and for a joyful experience. They reveled in the beauty of the Renaissance art displayed at the museum. In a literary context, behold transforms into gaze upon. In the novel, the protagonist gazed upon the ancient ruins with awe. More scenarios coming up, starting with comprehend. While discussing a complex concept, she comprehended the algorithm's design on a profound level. In the world of business, instead of seize, you capitalize on. The company capitalized on the latest trends to boost their sales. For the natural world, instead of see, we observe. During the safari, we observe the intricate behaviors of the wild animals in their natural habitat. Explaining a gadget? Use demystify instead of the simple explain. To the layman, he demystified the workings of the quantum computer. In debate or analysis, consider becomes contemplate. She contemplated the implications of artificial intelligence on future employment. Lastly, don't just work towards goals, strive for them. He strives for excellence in every aspect of his professional career. Feel how these verbs add weight and eloquence to your speech? It's subtle yet powerful. And that's what scoring a band 9 is all about. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button, share it with fellow IELTS challengers, and subscribe for more language mastery tips. Stay curious, keep practicing, and seize every opportunity to refine your English. Until next time, speak boldly and beautifully.